Business owners often come to me asking for help with SuiteDash. They're confused, perhaps a little overwhelmed, and definitely in need of some guidance on where to begin. So today we're talking about what it really takes to be successful in SuiteDash and how to find it. Hi, I'm Isaac with Clear Sky Technologies, and welcome to the channel where we help small business owners use technology creatively to grow their business and achieve their goals. Let's talk. Technology doesn't have to be scary. By the time business owners come to me, they're often already overwhelmed by the amount of information, videos, and documentation on SuiteDash. Typically, they've already been struggling through the mountains of information, trying to climb that learning curve, and are very ready to get their business going. At my agency, we believe there are 4 things that a business needs to be truly successful with SuiteDash. First, they need a clear understanding of their business. It sounds overly simple, but it's important to understand and be able to articulate the processes that drive the heart of your business. It's not necessary to describe every step of every process in great detail. It is, however, necessary to have an intimate understanding of how the business works. Without a deep understanding of how the business works, it will be challenging at best to set up a solution in SuiteDash. Most small business owners have the level of business knowledge required to be successful in setting up SuiteDash. Some owners, however, have managers who are more intimately involved in the day-to-day process. In this case, it's vital that those managers are also involved in your SuiteDash project. Secondly, and this one is a challenge, the business owner must have a clear picture of the ideal customer journey. It's important to envision the experience you want your client to have as they move through your system. Think about how you want them to be onboarded. Think about the experience you want them to have when it comes time to pay their bill. Should they receive an invoice every month? Should their credit card automatically be charged? Now, think about what you want the client to experience after they've been with you for a few years. And lastly, think about how you would want to be treated long-term if you were a client of your own business. These concepts are perhaps the most important when it comes to creating a workable solution in SuiteDash. SuiteDash is such a powerful platform, and it will conform to the needs of your client journey. The hard part in a SuiteDash build-out is not designing the solution or building the automations. The really hard part comes in defining how you want your clients to be treated, what sort of interactions they expect from you, and how hands-on or hands-off you want to be with your clientele. It can be difficult to put yourself in the shoes of your own client, but it is absolutely required in order to create the proper experience for them. The next piece you will need is a straightforward plan to build your portal. When you're trying to create a solution in SuiteDash, it's always best to design the solution on paper first. You can do this in a word processing document or an actual piece of paper if you like. Whatever is easiest for you to be able to rearrange information and insert and delete at will. This allows you like a sandbox environment where you can design your portal without investing hours and setting up automations only to change them later. It also provides a living document that can be used to train new employees or to refer back to when needed. And this is maybe the hardest part for the new SuiteDash user because they're still trying to learn the platform at the same time as trying to build out their solution. The final piece we recommend to get new business owners started with SuiteDash is simple. Get help from a SuiteDash professional. You certainly can learn the platform on your own, but the learning curve can be steep and can take a while to climb. Most busy entrepreneurs do not have the kind of time it would take to learn the entire platform and then build their solution. So, hiring a professional will help reduce the overall amount of time required. Further, a professional can provide guidance and answer questions one-on-one in a way that watching videos and reading documents cannot. For this reason, again, professionals can get you through the setup and development process much faster than flying solo. If you are perhaps struggling up that learning curve, or maybe looking for SuiteDash help, just click the link in the description below to get in touch with us. We'll help get you to square one and show you the options from there. Of course, if this video was helpful to you in any way, be sure to hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to the channel for more SuiteDash tips like this. And until next time, keep growing.